Arguably, the most important part of your epoxy flake floor is the protection. Enter SparticPro, a two-part polyaspartic that provides durable protection to your flake floor, making sure it lasts. So when it comes to mixing the polyaspartic, you want to take your B-side and shake it vigorously for 30 seconds, and then mix the two into a 5-gallon mixing bucket. Once your SparticPro is fully mixed, immediately pour out the contents of your bucket onto the floor in ribbons. Have your partner begin to work corners, vertical areas, and unmovable objects with a small roller or brush, and you begin squeegeeing the top coat evenly around the floor. Follow up with your roller and back roll the product nice and evenly, avoiding puddles or any roller marks. SparticPro has a pot life of 5 minutes and a working time of 25 minutes, so it's very important to work efficiently. As we allow the polyaspartic to cure, keep in mind your return to service timeline. In 12 hours, you're going to be safe to walk on it. In 24 to 48 hours after application, you may begin to return your belongings into the garage. Be careful not to drag or slide any heavy objects across the floor. 72 hours after the application of your top coat is the industry standard cure time to then begin parking your vehicle in your garage again.